Lululemon is doing really well, and I really like this one because we have the double bottom. We've had multiple resistance on this trend line, as you can see here, a breakout here, which is where we entered in my Discord group, and we've kind of like, even this one was a bit of a fake breakout. So we've had a really long period of selling off from January to now. And this was kind of just a regular move. Now, even if we get a move like this and we move, let's say here, to stay in line with this, we go from 170 to 13. I'll just show you some of the kind of the risk reward ratio that I was looking at. So 1 to 4, 1 to 3, it's pretty good to me, good probabilities here as well. As you can see today, it's moving in the right direction. Decent company. Yes, there's competitors now that are coming out like Allo and so on. At the end of the day, it's a strong company, strong name. I think it will survive, and it could create new strategy and so on. But it's profitable. As you can see here, earnings have been pretty good. Yes, revenues are a bit down due to competition, so there's no real growth. But the earnings are pretty good and generally positive. Maybe some catalysts here. Lulu is identified by every as a prime kind of tax loss harvesting, showing potential for outperformance after underperforming this year. Yeah, there you go. So that is something that's probably bringing in volumes. 3 reasons why to love Lululemon. Okay, there's a number of other things that I don't really bother to read these too much. Just check them every now and then. But the idea is the setup was perfect. We managed to find the right opportunity at the right time, and we can take this now with fairly strong confidence that this will move up higher. SPB, similar setup here. Again, it's multiple consolidations around this zone, looking for that break. We end up entering here on the break, and there's no momentum, which is a problem. So with Lululemon, we're getting the momentum. But here, we're kind of getting a slowdown of momentum, and that could be something to do with the sector that is in, consumer durables. So this was moving well when the market was selling off, and maybe doesn't move well here now when the market is feeling bullish and risk on again. So we have to monitor that. Okay, I think I'll leave this here. I did mention in the previous video that we have AEVA as an idea. Looks pretty good. I might be taking a trade here. It's around this level, comes in, builds up again. Something like that would be ideal. Even if it came back down, kind of sell for break even. So it's very, very low risk, in my opinion. Good risk reward ratio as well. If we go up to this level of 1 to 6, 1 to 7, I'm looking at Tesla as an opportunity as well. I like the consolidation on Tesla. Here you go. And of course, and this can be something like this and then move up. And of course, I'm looking at crypto. So we're looking at Coin, BMNR, we're looking at MicroStrategy and SBET. But again, I don't mind crypto setting off a little bit for us to get this decent opportunity here. I end up selling this one, so I'll just move this around this level because we entered early. So I'm looking at this one for a move higher here. And if we can get a bit of a sell-off, then we can get a nice, volatility play here. A bit of consolidation like that. And then we break up higher. This is a kind of like level that I'll be looking at. Okay, so we have SBET, we have BMNR. There'll be some other opportunities like Riot and so on. This is quite nice.